Downgrading DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a process that requires careful consideration and execution. To begin, understand that downgrading a droplet backup means reverting to a previous version of your droplet, which can result in loss of data and configurations made after the backup was created. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the control panel. Then click on the droplet you want to downgrade. Next, click on the Backups tab to view a list of available backups. Identify the backup you want to use for downgrading and take note of its creation date and time. Before proceeding, ensure you have a thorough understanding of the implications of downgrading, including potential data loss and changes to your droplet's configuration. It is highly recommended to create a new backup of your current droplet before downgrading, to prevent loss of recent data and configurations. To initiate the downgrade process, click on the More menu next to the desired backup and select Restore. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to restore the droplet from the selected backup. Confirm that you understand the implications and click Restore to begin the process. The restoration process may take several minutes to complete, depending on the size of your droplet and the complexity of the backup. Once the process is complete, your droplet will be reverted to the state it was in when the backup was created. Best practices for downgrading DigitalOcean droplet backups include regularly creating new backups, monitoring your droplet's performance and configurations, and carefully considering the implications of downgrading before proceeding. It is also essential to test your droplet after downgrading to ensure that it is functioning as expected and that all necessary configurations are in place. In conclusion, downgrading DigitalOcean droplet backups requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully revert your droplet to a previous version while minimizing potential risks and data loss.